In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and connect to MetaTrader 4. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader 4 platform on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so by downloading it from the official MetaTrader website. Once the platform is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you have the File menu open, you'll see a few different options. From this drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. By doing this, a login window will appear on your screen, and this is where we'll input some critical information. In the login window, you'll need to enter your account number. This is your unique identifier on the platform, so make sure you've got it handy. Next is the password field. Type in your password carefully, ensuring you avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end, as this might cause login issues. A helpful tip is to type your password in a separate document first, checking for extra spaces, and then copy and paste it into the field. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose the correct server for your account. This is typically assigned to you by your broker, and it will be essential for ensuring you're properly connected to the trading network. If you're unsure which server to select, check with your broker or refer to the welcome email they sent you upon account creation. After you've filled out these details, it's time to log in. Simply click the Login button. You might feel a little suspense here, but just give it a moment. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll hear a confirmation chime indicating that you've successfully logged into your account. And that's it. You're now connected to your MetaTrader 4 account, ready to monitor the markets and execute trades. Remember, having a stable internet connection during this process is crucial to avoid any potential hiccups. If you encounter issues, double-check your credentials and internet stability. Thanks for watching today's video. You should now be able to log into MetaTrader 4 with confidence and ease. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe for more trading guides and tips. Good luck with your trading journey.